Om Shri Sai Ram. Previous class, we have solved many problems related to multiplying a monomial by a monomial. Today's concept is multiplying a binomial by a binomial. What do you mean by binomial? What is the difference between monomial and binomial? If an expression which contains only one term means it is a monomial. The expression which contains more than one, it means a expression which contains two terms means it is a binomial. Okay, let's we solve some problems related to multiplying a binomial by a binomial. First question, first example, multiply 3a plus 4b into 2a plus 3b. Just look at the question. First example, example 1, what to do? Multiply 3a plus 4b and 2a plus 3b. 3a plus 4b is a binomial. Why it is called binomial? Because it is an expression. This expression contains, this is the first term, second term. So two terms, so it is a binomial. Now 2a plus 3b, it is also a binomial. Why it is called binomial? 2a is the first term, 3b is another term. So two binomials. Now multiply. The bracket suggests just multiply these two binomials. When I multiply, what is the method to multiply these two binomials? First multiply. The binomial means which contains two terms. 3a is the first term. So this 3a into this 2a plus 3b. How it is? Just write down. The first term of the first binomial into that binomial, second binomial, that is 3a into 2a plus 3b. Now this 3a is the first term of the first binomial into second binomial, that is 3a into 2a plus 3b. After that, after 3a there is a plus sign, so plus. Be careful, if they are given minus, you have to put here minus sign. Now it is plus, so plus. Then plus 4b, second term of the first binomial into second binomial, that is 4b into 2a plus 3b. Very simple. First multiply this 3a into 2a plus 3b, then this 4b into 2a plus 3b. Now multiply. Now it becomes, this is a monomial, now it is binomial. Now multiplication of monomial into binomial. How? What is the method? Multiply 3a into 2a, then this 3a into plus 3b. Write down 3a into 2a plus, because here is plus, then this 3a into 3b, 3a into 3b. After that, here it is a plus sign, so plus. This 4b into 2a, this 4b into 2a, so 4b into 2a plus this 4b into 3b, 4b into 3b. Now multiply. First multiply the numbers. 3 into 2, what do we get? 6. A into a to the power 1 plus a to the power 1. A to the power 1 into a to the power 1 means a squared. A to the power 2, so 6a squared. Plus 3 into 3 is 9. A into b is ab plus 4 into 2 is 8. 4 2s are 8. Then b into a is ab or ba, both are same. ab, 2 into 3 is 6, or 3 into 2, 2 into 3, both are 6. So a into b or b into a, both are same. Plus 4 into 3 is 12, b into b is b squared. So when we multiply these two binomial, we get the product as 6a squared plus 9ab plus 8ab plus 12b squared. Or just look at this, 9ab plus 8ab, they are like terms. 9ab, 8ab, 9 pencil, 8 pencil. If we add these two, what do we get? Write 6a squared as it is. 9 plus 8 is 17. So 17ab plus 12b squared. So 9 plus 8, 17, ab, These are the like terms, so we can add these two like terms. 9 plus 8, it becomes 17 AB plus 12 B square. This is the answer for this question. Another example related to multiplying a binomial to binomial. Multiply x minus 4 and 2x plus 3. It is a binomial, this is also a binomial. Now multiply these two binomials. X minus 4 into 2x plus 3. Now multiply. The method is same. This first term of the first binomial into second binomial. So x into this x into 2x plus 3. This x into 2x plus 3. Then minus. What is the sign in between x and 4? That is minus. So minus 4 into minus 4 into 2x. Then minus 4 into, or we can write simply another step for this, x into 2x plus 3 and this minus 4 into 2x plus 3. It is an easier one. So this x into 2x plus 3, then this minus 4 into 2x plus 3. Now this is monomial, this is binomial. Now the operation is monomial into binomial. So x into this x into 2x, x into 2x, then plus x into 3, then minus 4 into 2x, minus 4 into 2x, then this minus 4 into 3, minus 4 into 3. Now multiply. X into 2x is 2x squared plus 3 into x is 3x. Then minus 4 into 2. First multiply. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into x is x, 8x. Here is minus into plus. When we multiply unlike signs, then the product gets minus sign. So minus into plus becomes minus. Here minus 4 into 3. 4 into 3 we know that it is 12. Now minus into plus, it is also minus. So 2x squared plus 3x minus 8x minus 12. 3x and minus 8x both are like terms. 2x squared write as it is, plus 3x minus 8x. We get minus 5x minus 12. So 2x squared minus 5x minus 12 is the answer for multiplying x minus 4 and 2x plus 3. Another example, multiply x minus y and 3x plus 5y. X minus y and 3x plus 5y both are binomials. So x minus y into, multiply means into 3x plus 5y. Now multiply first term of the first binomial into this second binomial. So x into 3x plus 5y. After that minus y, this minus y into 3x plus 5y. 3x plus 5y. Now multiply this x into 3x, x into 3x plus x into 5y. Then minus y into 3x plus or minus y into plus 5y. Just look at the step. This x into 3x, then this x into 5y, then minus y into 3x, then this minus y into plus 5. 3 into 1, here is a x means 1x, so 3 into 1 is 3. X into x becomes x squared, so 3x squared plus 5 into x into y, it is 5xy. Then 3 into 1 is 3, but here it is minus and plus. So when we multiply minus into plus, the product which gets minus sign. So minus 3xy. Here it is minus into plus, so minus 5y squared, because y into y squared, 5y squared. Now 5xy and minus 3xy both are like terms, so plus 5x minus 3xy becomes plus 2xy minus 5y squared. So 3x squared plus 2xy minus 5y squared. Another problem, multiply a plus 7 and b minus 5. Look at the problem. Multiply a plus 7 and b minus 5. So a plus 7 into b minus 5. Same method. Multiply a into b minus 5. A into b minus 5. Then this plus 7 into b minus 5. Now this a into b, then a into minus 5. So a into b, then minus a into 5, plus this 7 into b, then plus 7 into minus 5. A into b, then this a into minus 5. Then plus 7 into b and 7 into minus 5. A into b is ab, then minus 5 into a, 5a, plus 7 into b is 7b, plus into minus becomes minus 35. So what is the answer? AB minus 5a plus 7b minus 35. So AB minus 5a plus 7b minus 35 is the answer for a plus 7 into b minus 5. Okay, next problem, a squared plus 2b squared into 5a minus 3b. Now multiply this a squared into 5a minus 3b. First multiply this a squared into 5a minus 3b. After that, this plus 2b squared into 5a minus 3b. 5a minus 3b. Now multiply this a squared into 5a, after that this a squared into minus 3b. So we get a squared into 5a, then minus this a squared into 3b, plus this 2b squared into 5a, then this 2b squared into 3b. So 2b squared into 5a, then here is minus, so 2b squared into 3b, 2b squared into 3b. Now multiply and get the answer, get the product. 5 into 1a squared, so 5 into 1 is 5. A squared into a to the power 2, a to the power 1, so a to the power 3, a to the power 3. Then minus into plus becomes minus, 3 into 1 is 3, a squared into b is a squared b. Then plus into plus, so it is plus, 2 into 5 is 10, b squared into a is b squared a or ab squared, ab squared. Minus into plus is minus, 3 into 2 is 6, b squared into b is b to the power 3. So 5a cube minus 3a squared b plus 10ab squared minus 6b cube. This is the answer for this question. Next concept is multiplying a binomial by trinomial. Yes, trinomial means the expression which contains 3 terms. Binomial means which contains only 2 terms. Now multiplying a binomial, expression contains 2 terms. Trinomial means which contains 3 terms. So a plus 7 is a binomial because 1 and 2 terms. Then trinomial, why it is trinomial? 1 first term, second term and third term. So it is a trinomial. What is the method of multiplying a binomial by trinomial? It is very simple. Once again, first multiply this a into a squared plus 3a plus 5. How it is? This a into a squared plus 3a plus 5. Then this plus 7 into a squared plus 3a plus 5. Let's look at this. This a into a squared plus 3a plus 5, this trinomial. Then plus 7 into this trinomial. Now multiply a into a squared like this. A into a squared, then this a into 3a, then this a into 5. A into a squared, then a into 3a, this a into 5. So a into a squared plus a into 3a plus a into 5, a into 5 plus, now this 7 into a squared, this 7 into 3a, this 7 into 5. Multiply 7 into a squared, 7 into 3a, this 7 into 5. So 7 into a squared plus 7 into 3a plus 7 into 5. 7 into 5. Now a into a squared is a cube plus a into 3a is 3a squared plus a into 5 is 5a plus 7 into a squared 7a squared plus 7 into 3 is 21, 21 into a 21a, 7 into 5 is 35. There is any like terms in this? 3a squared and 7a squared. So if we add 3a squared and 7a squared, we get 10a squared. Then 5a and 21a, both are like terms. If we add these, we get 26a. So a cube, right? A cube plus 3a squared plus 7a squared becomes 10a squared plus 5a plus 21a is 26a plus 35. So what is the product of this a plus 7 into a squared plus 3a plus 5? A cube plus 10a squared plus 26a plus 35 is the product of a plus 7 into a squared plus 3a plus 5. So in this class we have studied about multiplying a binomial and binomial, then binomial by binomial, and multiplying a binomial by trinomial. In your textbook, page number 100, exercise 6.4 is given. In that 4 sub questions are given. First one, multiply the binomials. There is 6 problems. These are homework. And also second one, find the product. In that 4 problems. Then third main, simplify 7 problems. So these are homeworks. So exercise 6.4, page number 100. Sai Ram.